guys, Len here. I've just finished getting this all back together. I've got a new front on here. This is 6mm plate, the other one burnt. I've got all new refractory in there. On the top here I've got 2 inches K-wool on the sides. I've got super wool with light fabric, and I've got furnace coat, and which is a special refractory for lining wool and light fabric, and it's also an insulator. And I've got my little splits on the bottom. The main thing I've done is this was my original flange that I'd got with the big burner. When I took it out, because all the boys who get the kit from Gamico welded on, it was a mongrel getting it off, and I don't like that. I like being able to take things apart easy for maintenance. So I've put the brackets on with the bolts. My mate over the road, he gives me all my carbon steel, or most of it. He took this to work because the thread was damaged, re-threaded it, redid the inside where it was all burnt where the thread used to be in the original ones. He cleaned all that up with the lathe, and I've just tried it and it's going really well now. So guys, I'll soon be back forging. The dimensions inside just a little bit smaller now, so I'm thinking this is going to be good. Me and my mates are getting ready to build the stand for that, the new 75 kg anvil, 56 Rockwell hard face. The hardy holes are stupid size. Look at it, it's been made in a foundry in China. They wouldn't have a clue what they're doing. Anyway, that's alright, I'll get around that. I'll forge something in there so I can put my hardies in there. So you can see the mess I've got here where I've been working. I've got stuff everywhere. The floor's dirty, I've got to clean up. I've got bits of ceramic stuff, soft fabric, bits and pieces everywhere. So I'll light up in a minute and then I'll show you. Alright, I'll be back. There she's going. It's only just started, so it's not going to get hot yet. The flame's getting that little vibrance good. I'm happy with that. What I did is when I cut the KO wall, I cut it like coroner and say from Gamico. So there's 2 diameters in that. The main body is about 50mm. Then you've got that inside diameter. I cut down about half the thickness of the KO wall, about 1 inch. For the round bit. Then I went in the middle and just with a little hole saw through the wall, I cut the inside diameter for where the gas and the air is going to be coming out. And then I coated all that with the furnace coat refractory. And first of all I put hardener on it because I've got to make it. I'll get factory off just over the next suburb in Caboolture. And they've got a business, so Mark gave me a whole lot of this hardener for nothing the other day. Well, I gave him $10 because they look after it. He's the one I got the 2-inch cable, so I lined the inside of that, let it harden, then I put the refractory over that. And so that's it going there. I'm hoping all this insulation holds up and the board heats up really good, and I'll be happy checking. I might put a bit of steel in the moment actually. The floor is all new too. It's got 2 inches. So the floor in here, I've changed that a bit too. That used to slide down the side. It's not working this time because I've got a bit of stuff in there. So I've just cut that off and it's just sitting on top, so I'll be able to really maintenance that. There's no heat coming out of there at all. This side is this is really cool. 2-inch KO. I mean, we're talking about that thick. Then I put refractory hardener, then refractory over that. Really good stuff. I'm glad I got that off Mark. Well, that's going really good. And then, of course, I put on the top of the cable on the floor in there. And a bit of round steel. Where is it? Hang on. I put 1600 gun cast factory on the floor over the 2-inch wool in there on the floor. So that's got probably 3/4 of an inch of 1600 gun cast on top of that. So, and of course from there to there I've got the 2-inch kayak wool, soft fire brick, and then furnace cut over that. So from there to there is all insulation. As you can see, it's just right there. Same on that side. So I'm going to put a bit of smear in, see how it picks up. I've got a bit of about 12 mil, 10 mil round rubber to see how that goes, how long it takes. Just out a bit. Sort all this out so I can get my slide back to place and that on. I've got a bit of stuff in that, but I want to fix that up. I just want to try it out. Plus, cure the factory. The factory in the top and the base has been curing for about a week. The top for about 5 days. So, just a big good little heat up and then I'll turn it down and turn it off. This is on about probably 10 psi. I can't see, the glass is a bit oh, it is on 10, sorry. I was looking at the other one. I was looking at the black one. So it's on about 10 psi. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. That looks white to you, but it's only red. So we'll leave that in there a bit longer. See how that goes. Round bit's been in there about 6 minutes. Still ain't too red. Gorgeous. But now I've got a bit of flood in there. See how long that takes. And I'll be back. As I'm fortunate that I'll be back. Oh guys, by the way, I'm feeling much better. Had my procedures on Friday. As soon as I wake up from anaesthetic, I felt 100%. Started mucking around. Well, I was joking and mucking around with the nurses beforehand. Woke up and praising God. And yeah, I feel really good. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, I've just bumped it up to 14 psi. Over the air up a bit. Put this hard brick one in front so we can have a look. And that's coming up pretty nice now. Even the black fella, he's getting a bit of colour. We'll have a look at him. Can't wait to get back into my forge. hydrant. They're broken. Oh, I got that one. Got that one. I'll fix all. I'm really happy with this. So I can do maintenance really quickly. Yep, I'm going to fill this. Right, so this has been on. Oh yeah, that's warming up a bit now. Yeah, that's getting a bit warm. That's not too bad. That 2-inch KO wheel, that's good stuff. Good insulation. So the forge has been running 13 minutes. Oh, sorry. It's 2:30, that's the time, but I've been counting since 2 o'clock, so it's been going about 13 minutes. Too bad. Before this would take about half an hour to dry up. So we'll have a bit of a geezer. Let's have a look. In old Aussie slang, you hardly hear it anymore. We're losing all our Aussie terminology. Young people haven't got a clue what you're talking about. Still rare. Fortunately, that's quite good. Interested to see how it takes to really heat up. The insulation's starting to get to a nice brown. So that's good. Let's have a look at the flat. There you go. I'm quite happy with that. I mean, I've been looking at this stuff for years, talking to experts about lining forges. The guys I get my factory off at Morayfield, that they went to college and learned all this, uni. So they're factory engineers, they helped me. And yeah, this is looking really good. Alright guys, I'm going to call it a day now. I've got to do some cleaning up. And I've got another video to put up soon, so we'll see you on the next one guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. That's all the old stuff that I pulled out of the old binding. A bit of bag of refractory. I think that was furnace coat too from last year. And that's just some high temperature mortar from Bunnings. Okay guys, we'll catch you on the next one. That's my mining gear, all my pans. Alright guys, we'll catch you. See you later.